Okay, so I know I haven't been doing vloggy style bungalow videos recently, but that's basically because we've been working on a lot of the snags, which, if I'm honest, it's not really interesting to watch. So I'll show you what we have done, but we've basically been trying to get the top floor ready for carpet. I'll mention about the carpet a little bit later on, but for now I'll just show you like all the different snags that we've been doing, getting ready for the carpet, because yeah, we have quite a lot of space to carpet, and we couldn't do it straight away because we needed to save. So it's happening this week. We've been living like what feels like in a building site, and it's finally coming to a close. So I will show you the snags that we've been working on and show you the space we've got, and then I can show you the after in a few days when the carpet is being fitted. Okay, so we're just continuing with all the snagging. I've just been scrubbing all the plaster off these stairs because we're going to leave them pine. We're probably just going to buff them up with some beeswax. But yeah, so if you can see, I've got rid of all the worst bits, but kind of like this plaster all over these stairs, and there's loads of gaps. So I'm literally just using the multi-tool with the sanding pad on the end and just trying to get all of this off before we get carpets, and it goes all the way up there. You can see I kind of like cleaned the top bit there and then I gave up. So yeah, we want to leave these wood because I think they look quite nice. Excuse my coat. But with the wood on show matches the wood floor. So we want to keep it wood, plus it means you don't have to keep painting it. But yeah, lots of snags to get done before we have carpet. And we've done so much that I have forgotten to film, but I'll go through it all another day. Okay, so snag-wise, all of these plug sockets had holes in them. So we had to fill all of those in. Every single one had a hole somewhere around it. So that was a bit annoying, but easy job because we had lots of filler here left over. I've had to put window sills in, which is nice. I do need to come up with a solution for the little shortfall on the measurements. I knew it was going to be off when I bought them, but they didn't have any bigger sizes, and I really wanted them to be like flush with the skirting board, so I'm happy with how they're looking and how the size, but I think I just need to get a bit of trim to go over the windows. And then they all need a clean because honestly there's plaster all over these windows. We've already cleaned them, I'd say 4 or 5 times now. They're looking a lot better, but they're still in a bit of a state. So yeah, give them a clean, put that in, and then this room is pretty much done. We had to obviously caulk and do all of that sort of stuff. All of these door frames I've painted, which weren't painted before, and Alex has just been scraping all the large clumps of plaster off the floor. So yeah, it's been a bit of a mess again. All the plug sockets have needed filling in. All the door frames have needed painting and filling in as well. I've had to fill in all the screw holes, as you can see. So that's just like little jobs that have just taken ages. And we needed to caulk all of, oh God, I can see there, I haven't, I've had to fill in there and I haven't finished it off. But that's fine, I can do that another day. But yeah, just lots of snags. Lots and lots of snags. We had to caulk all of this, and then like these windows, they're so dirty again with just plaster, covered in plaster. So these are things that we can do once the carpet is down, but they're just things that we need to crack on with. So in this bedroom, so excuse how it's looking at the moment, we've pulled everything away from the walls, and this is a temporary clothing storage unit. We're gonna try and do like a IKEA hack and get built-in wardrobes in that room. But in here for now, I've been painting it pink. this is going to be my office now. I was going to have an office downstairs, but I've decided to come up in here because it's insulated up here and downstairs is freezing. So this is a funny shaped room, so I don't know where the pink must end because I tried it with a line, but yeah, it doesn't look right. So I'm gonna paint the whole ceiling. I'm hoping I've got enough paint, but that's with Lick Pink 01, and I love the colour. I think once it's all white, all pink, sorry, you won't notice that it's like really pinky, but needs another coat. But yeah, so yeah, that's how up here is looking at the moment. We are having carpet fitted tomorrow. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so these are the carpet rolls. We've got 3 here and we've got 1 upstairs. But this one is 5 meters long. So we are just a bit concerned how it's going to get upstairs. But I'm sure the carpet fitter's done it numerous amount of times before. So I'm sure it'll be fine. But this is the carpet we went for. We weren't going to go for it because apparently it's not, you shouldn't have like a loop carpet for dogs. As long as it's a tight pile, it should be fine for dogs. So I'm just hoping, what are you doing, Hughes? What are you doing? Just hoping it'll be okay. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I love it. I just can't wait for the carpet. I just can't wait. You don't understand. But yeah, 3 rolls. That's 5 meter, and then there's 1 upstairs as well. So fingers crossed. Okay, after like 5 months of waiting, we have carpet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But I was originally going to leave this wooden, but I feel like now that the carpet's there, the wood, the pine is not doing the carpet justice. So let me know in the comments what you would do with this staircase. Do I stain it? Do I paint it? What do I do, guys? But obviously you can see we didn't want to tidy the walls too much because we didn't know how they were going to get, we didn't know how they were going to get the 5 meters up there. So ignore the snagging on the stairs. We still need to do all of that. But let me show you upstairs. Oh, you don't understand that we went for 10mm insulation. It feels so nice on the stairs. So unfortunately they've had to take these fire doors off and we need to cut the bottom of them before we stick them back on, which is not going to be fun because they're like 50 kg or something and they're really heavy. But this is this room. So what I'm going to do is put you on wide angle. 1 sec. So yeah, excuse the mess. We've just dumped all the waste that they left from the carpet fitters here. That's all waste, and I'm using that because I'm still painting these walls. But how good does it look with carpet? It actually feels like a house now. I kept saying like, oh, I think I want to sell. I think I want to sell. But the carpet's made me like not want to sell. And you'll especially see why when we go into the back bedroom. But yeah, it's such a nice carpet. Hugo absolutely loves it. So that's this room. And then we go into Alex's office. Again, we just need to put all the doors on. But oh, it's so nice. And it actually makes this space feel like bright, and like I could actually imagine like having a bed there. And like, you know, if this was like, I don't know, a young child's room, having a bed there. But I think what we're going to do is get like an L-shaped desk here and put paneling on this wall so that the background looks nice on calls and stuff. And just put a bit of like a nice chair there to relax on with maybe some books and some plants. But that's something that we're looking at. And this is the landing, and it makes the tiles look better because it's just like finished. It looks nice and done, apart from obviously the stairs. But yeah, this is the winner chicken dinner. Well, that probably needs to be cut back a little bit as well. But this room makes you feel like you're at home. So again, just excuse the mess because we did just dump everything quickly in here when we were moving it from the other room to this room when it was getting installed. But how nice does this room look now? It feels massive. But yeah, we've just put the Kallax unit there. Just ignore that. We had a quote from Sharps to do literally just from there to about there. It's actually disgusting how much it was costing. we just like kind of laughed and said, yep, sorry, we won't be going ahead. But oh, it was ridiculous. I think it was like £7,000 just for 3 half-height cabinets. Like, it's not even anything worth paying for. So that's not happening. So we're still going to go ahead and do an IKEA hack with the sloped ceilings. Come on then. Oh, Hugo, he loves barking at all the birds in the trees, which is not great. So I need to get some curtains ASAP. Oh, do you like your new room? I'm not sure if he does or not, but yeah, so we've got a new bed, which is from Dusk. We've had it for a while now, but we haven't installed it yet. So this is the old bed, which is going to go downstairs in the guest bedroom. And we've got a Emma mattress, which has just arrived today. I just can't wait. We've had this bed since we moved into our old house in 2017. So, you know, putting it in the spare room is a good moment for us. But yeah, this is how this room is looking. I'll just go over here and do it from a different angle. But it's so nice. But yeah, so nice to be able to finally move into this room. We thought all this imperfection on the wall was paint, but it's actually the plastering. So I don't know what's happening with that, so just ignore that. But that's how we finished the paint, and we did, Alex did like 5 coats of white paint, so it was finally painted. But yeah, this is how it's looking from this side. It's just nice to be able to, I don't know, chill out by here and whatnot. And the carpets just made it feel like a home, which is exactly what I was after, because I was starting to get fed up with how minging it was every single day. Isn't it, Hughes? Oh. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed a little bit more of the vloggy style videos this week. I'm going to be putting up the Dusk bed next week, so I'll do a video on that. They're really affordable beds, so I would definitely consider having a look if you are thinking about getting a bed. It is going to be a super king size ottoman, and I got an Emma mattress as well. I know a lot of people do like sponsored posts with Emma, but mine won't be sponsored, and I'll be doing a genuine review of it, so stay tuned for that as well. And we'll see you next week, won't we, Hughes? Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.